Hey, it's Corey Style. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. So if you're interested, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera because they take forever to do. So I didn't want this video to be too long. So now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro primer, and I also use my Maybelline primer as well. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut to cover my dark spots. Some people use an orange corrector, but sometimes it shows through your foundation. So I just decided to use a concealer that's close to my skin tone to cover my dark spots. And we just blend that out. Now I'm going to use Toffee LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to use this to prime my eyelids. Prime your eyelids, help your colors show more. So that's what I'm doing. I started off by using a brush, but that wasn't working, so I just used my finger. So we're just going to blend that out. And I'm going to use a brush also. And I'm going to go in with my Airspun loose powder to set that. I hate the brush that I was using. It's the e.l.f. brush, but it's very stiff. But I went on ahead and used it. And I'm also going to go in with this powder and my laugh marks. Again, they are very deep, so I'm going to set those. I'm just going to blend that out. So after that, I went on ahead and went to my eyebrows. Eyelid. I already done my other eyebrow, so I went in with this light orange, and then I'm going to go in with a dark orange in my crease. And we're just going to blend those two. So we're just going to blend that out. Make sure you blend very well. I'm also going to go into this dark purple. I almost forgot to show y'all the purple. That's why the clips was out of order, and I had to go back to show y'all. So yeah, that was a dark purple. Now I'm using Toffee to cut a crease. So we're just going to do that and then blend it out. And I'm going to go in with this yellow orange color, kind of like tangerine. And I'm going to put that in the inner portion of my eyelid. The inner and the middle portion. It's a very nice color. And then I'm going to go in with this like raspberry color. It's like the perfect combination of pink and purple. And I'm going to put that like on top of that tangerine color. So we're just going to apply that. And then I'm going to go in with that purple again with my crease. As you can see, it made it a little darker, more smoky. If you mess up, it's okay. You can go in with your concealer and correct anything. Here I'm taking my Maybelline, I guess it's a eyeliner pencil, and I use that to do my wing. I almost forgot to do it. I was going to apply my lashes first, but I went back and did my wing. So yes, I apply my lashes by first going to the center and holding for like 5 to 10 seconds. And then I go to the end and then the inner. That's the easiest way for me. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other. And again, I use eyelash glue. I'm sorry, not eyelash glue, hair glue, because it's easier for me and it lasts long. So yeah, as y'all can see, I did my eye makeup first. I'm listening to music, but I did my eye makeup first only because my eyes are sensitive. Sometimes they start running, so I just went on ahead and did all of the eye stuff first because I didn't want the water to get into my foundation. So yes, I'm using MAC foundation and Maybelline's foundation. Here's the Maybelline foundation, but it's a little too dark. So I took the matte foundation and mixed it with that, and as you can see, created a more of a match. So yes, That is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid and Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just going to blend it out. I'm using Maybelline foundation brush. I really like this brush. Like, it's small, but I really like it. It applies my foundation very well. So we're just going to blend that out. So blend, blend, blend. I'm also going to go in with my Real Technique beauty sponge. It's called a body blender because it's bigger. You're going to see it in just a few. Right here. See, it's very big. So I'm going to use that to just pat on my face to take off any extra foundation. So we're just going to pat that all over. Now I'm going to go in with Toffee or Fawn. I can't remember. It's either Toffee or Fawn concealer. And I'm going to put that under my eye, forehead, cupid's bow, nose, and chin. And this is the LA Girl Pro. I'm also going to take Chestnut by LA Girl Pro and apply that on top of Fawn, just to make it, tone it down just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge, a smaller one. I'm going to use that to blend. And I did not carry it out. I'm carry it sort of down, not so far of taking it all the way to like the outer portion of my face. So I kind of stayed within my face. So we're just going to blend that out. This is like my favorite concealer. So blend, blend, blend. And y'all, if this video, if y'all could hear the sound when I was patting it, it sounded like I was beating my face. So yes, now I'm taking Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to first start off by applying it by my laugh mark, well, pretty much in my laugh mark. Then I'm going to go in under my eye, and I do not let it sit under my eye because it leaves like a white residue like sometimes when I let it sit, so I don't really do that anymore. So yes, we're just going to blend that in. Also on my head, chin, pretty much everywhere I highlight, I use the setting powder. So now I'm going to go in and contour with my Black Radiance palette right here. But then I remembered that I needed to use the powder, so I'm going to go back. So I'm taking L'Oreal powder, the face powder, and just go in and dust off any leftover setting powder. And also to dust off that laugh marks. This have a lot of fallout, like a lot. So now I'm coming back to the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to contour my face, starting with my cheeks. So I'm just going to blend that, and I blend in like a circular motion. I'm going to blend all over the forehead. This sometimes takes a minute. I'm going to blend under my jaw. And this is the darkest shade in this palette. I believe it's Black Radiant medium palette. Now I'm going to take a brush, a small brush, and I'm going to go in and contour my nose. I'm just going to go straight down, following the natural. look of my nose, and I sometimes carry it up, like all the way up close to my eyebrow. I don't know why, I just like that look. And then I'm going to blend that out. Yes, we're just going to blend that some more. Then I'm going to go in with some blush and apply it on my cheeks. This is, I'm not sure what kind of blush this is. It's just a light pink though. You can use any blush of your choice. I came close for y'all to see the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a setting spray. Well, actually that's rose water, but I sometimes use NYX setting powder. And here I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I love this. I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks. If y'all see me like looking like I'm talking, I'm really rapping or singing. I was listening to music. And so I'm also gonna apply it to my nose. This is like my favorite part. I really love highlighter. Well, really highlighting my nose. And I did put a little in my the arch of my eyebrow. I'm going to go in and put a little on my forehead, chin, and cupid's bow. And I also went in with a little brush and put some in the inner portion of my eye. I really like how this turned out. And then I also went in with the eyeshadow, that dark orange, and put it at the bottom portion of my eye. And then on the outside, I went in with that dark purple. And my eyes was getting very runny and I could not stop blinking. So here I'm taking a dark brown pencil. This is an eyebrow pencil, but I don't use pencils for my eyebrows. So I'm using it for my lips. Nothing is wrong with that. And I'm just going to outline my lip. Well, line my lip. I don't know why I do this step, because my lips are already naturally like that. But yeah. And then I'm going to go in with a pink lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, but before it dries, I'm going to apply a gloss. So I'm just going to apply that. And here's the pink gloss. Well, the clear gloss, I'm sorry. I love a simple lip look. I don't like a lot of lipstick. So yeah, that's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.